Hello, this video is going to demonstrate an overview of Google Hangouts. Now I'm using the new Google Hangouts now. There is a old version called Google Chat. Google Hangouts has a lot more features. It's more widely universally used in different apps and extensions, whereas Google Chat is fairly limited. So the first step would be to make sure you're using the new Google Hangouts. In the Gmail, when you're in your Gmail, in the lower left-hand corner, if I click on my name here, this little drop-down arrow, you'll see it says revert to the old chat. So I'll do that quickly here. And so when I revert to the old chat, you'll see the interface looks quite a bit different. Instead of seeing the conversation history, I see some dots with just people's names on them. All right, so here is the old Google Chat, so you can see that that looks different. So again, if it looks like this, the first thing I want to do is I want to click on the little icon here next to my picture, and I want to hit Try the New Hangouts. The new Hangouts will load, and then it'll be back in the lower left-hand corner. Another thing that's very common that people will do with Google Hangouts is they'll move Google Hangouts from the lower left-hand corner over here to the right-hand side. You can see now I see some of my labels. I have to move my cursor over. Now if I bring my cursor back in, I can get at my Google Hangouts. So if I go into the settings and then settings again, there's a Gmail lab, which was covered briefly in the Gmail module, but if I click on labs, one of the labs is right side chat. So I'll scroll down, here's right side chat. I'll click enable. I need to scroll back up and I need to click save. And now my chat will be moved over to the right hand side. And that gives me a lot more visibility. I can see a lot more contacts and a lot more chat. And it also helps me with my labels because now I can see more of my labels over here and I can see my chat over here. Down here in the bottom I have some different options for how I want to view my chat. Right now it's showing me my contacts. If I want to see the conversations, I can click on that and then I can see the conversations that I've been having in Google Hangouts. There are some options with Google Hangouts. You can see right now I have my notifications muted. So if you're teaching a lesson and your email is up on the smartboard, for example, you could mute your notifications. If you click on the little down arrow, you can see mute notifications for 1 hour, 8 hour, or 2 days if you want to mute them for the weekend. There are some other options here as well. You can show what device you're on because Google Hangouts does have a mobile app. So that way the people you're chatting with could tell if you're on a phone or if you're on a computer. You can allow it to show other people when you're in a video call so they know you're busy, show them when you're last seen, and some other options down here as well. You can block people in Google Hangouts if you need to do that. You can access that here. To hang out with somebody, if it's someone you've recently contacted, you can just click on them and you'll see right here is the spot to send a message. You can also send a picture in Google Hangouts, which is something you couldn't do in the old Google Chat. You can also do emoji if you like to do emoji. You can add multiple people to a chat, so you could have a group chat with several different people in it where everyone would see each other's responses. And if you click on the little video icon, you'll start a video chat with that person. If there's somebody you'd like to chat with that you haven't chatted with recently, you can click the little search icon here. And if you click the search icon, then you can type in someone's name. And if they're in our school district organization, it will find them. You could also type in someone's email address that is not in our organization, and you could chat with them as well. So that's just a quick overview of Google Hangouts. It's a great communication tool. And as I said earlier, it has a mobile app for Apple products and for Android products, so you can use it on the go. It's wonderful for video communication. The video features are awesome. You can hang out on a video hangout with, depending upon the organization, somewhere between 10 to 15 people can be in a video hangout at the same time. So it's a great avenue for holding meetings that are taking place at different buildings. You can hold them remotely through Google Hangouts, and it's awesome, the Google Hangouts chat feature for quick communication. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thanks, and have a great day.